In the tumultuous 16th century, a religious storm swept across Europe, threatening to shatter the foundations of the Catholic Church. The Protestant Reformation, led by Martin Luther, challenged the Church's authority, questioning its practices and beliefs. Amidst this chaos, the Catholic Church responded with a powerful counteroffensive, a movement known as the Catholic Counter-Reformation. The Counter-Reformation was a desperate bid to reclaim the hearts and minds of the faithful, to restore the Church's lost prestige, and to stamp out the spreading fire of Protestantism. At its heart were two remarkable figures, Ignatius of Loyola and Philip Neri. Ignatius, a Basque nobleman, was a man of deep faith and unwavering conviction. After a severe injury, he experienced a profound spiritual awakening and founded the Society of Jesus, or the Jesuits, in 1540. The Jesuits were a new breed of priest, educated, adaptable, and passionate. They were sent to the four corners of the world, to preach, teach, and defend the faith. Philip Neri, an Italian layman, was a charismatic and affectionate figure. Known as the Apostle of Rome, he founded the Congregation of the Oratory, a community of priests dedicated to preaching and spiritual guidance. His infectious faith and joyful spirit drew countless souls back to the Church. In Rome, these two men joined forces, along with Pope Pius V, to launch a campaign of spiritual renewal. They initiated the Tridentine Council, a series of meetings designed to address the Church's internal issues and clarify its teachings. The council resulted in the issuance of the Catechism of the Council of Trent, a comprehensive guide to Catholic doctrine that would stand as the Church's authoritative teaching for centuries to come. The Counter-Reformation also saw a revival of the arts, as the Church sought to reclaim the cultural high ground. The Baroque style, with its dramatic and emotional expression, was embraced as a means to move the faithful. Artists such as Caravaggio, Bernini, and Borromini created masterpieces that still astound visitors today. The Catholic Counter-Reformation was a remarkable response to the challenge posed by the Protestant Reformation. Through the efforts of men like Ignatius, Philip, and Pius V, the Church was able to weather the storm and emerge stronger than ever. The Catholic Church had proven its resilience, its ability to adapt and evolve, and its enduring role as a spiritual beacon for millions across the world. Yet, the battle was far from over. The Reformation had left deep scars on Europe, and the religious landscape would continue to change for centuries to come. But the Catholic Counter-Reformation had shown that the Church was not only capable of surviving such challenges, but of thriving in the face of adversity. It was a testament to the indomitable spirit of faith that had sustained the Church through the ages, and would continue to do so for centuries to come.